Hi, welcome back. This is Monica with LuLaRoe with Monica Gaddy, and today I'm going to talk about pattern mixing. I'm going to give you 5 tips if you want to try this trendy new way of wearing your clothes, mixing patterns. The first one I'm going to talk about is to pick 2 patterns where one is the dominant pattern and one just accentuates it. I'm going to show you an example now. Here we have a black printed maxi skirt and a size 3 Bianca, and you can see how lovely these 2 patterns go together. The black and white skirt is just accentuating the dominant pattern, which would be the floral Bianca. So the black and white skirt brings out the black and white in the floral Bianca, and the 2 patterns go very nicely together. Of course, we talk about this one as the dominant pattern because this is the one that stands out more to you. The skirt with the pattern underneath is much more subtle. Okay, the second way you can pattern mix is that you can pick 2 prints that have a pattern on different scales. So for example, you see that these have the same geometric pattern on them, but the scale is different. So here we have an Irma with a pair of leggings. It has the same half moon design on it, but the half moon design is much larger in the Irma, much more subtle in the leggings. This pattern matching works. I have a second example of this. The second example of this would be with stripes. So here you have a striped Amelia with a striped Sarah over it. The dominant stripes are these large ones on the Amelia, and then you have a subtle stripe on the Sarah. So this is mixing prints of different scales. Same print, but the size of the design is different. Mixing prints of different scales absolutely works. The next one we're going to talk about is same color family. They have the same color in them. So I have 2 examples of that. We have this. So you see the prints are different, but it is the same color family, burgundy and yellow. And when you put the leggings underneath, look how nice that looks. So same color family. They are the same color family. I have a second example. Look at this. So you see it is the same color family, different pattern, same color family. Pattern mixing. See how lovely that works? So this is a large Irma and a tall and curvy legging. Okay, the next way you can pattern mix is to pick 2 different prints that share a similar color. 2 different prints sharing a color. So this is an example of that. So you have 2 different prints. You have a polka dot print and a paisley print. But they share the blue. And you see when you put it together, look how nice that looks. They share the blue color. Pattern mixing. Now the final tip is that you can put a neutral over it. Put a neutral color over it. So if you want to take a risk and wear something like this, and you should, you put a neutral jean jacket over it. So here you have the neutral jean jacket over the polka dotted leggings and the Irma. Put a neutral color over your pattern mixing. Ties it all together. Those were 5 tips about pattern mixing from LuLaRoe with Monica Gaddy. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.